To get started with Apple Pay NFC payments, you need to have a compatible Apple device such as an iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. First, make sure your device is updated to the latest operating system and that you have a compatible credit or debit card from a participating bank. Open the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign to add a new card. Follow the prompts to enter your card details or take a photo of your card. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank, which can be done through a text message or phone call. Once your card is added, you can start using Apple Pay to make payments. To do this, look for the Apple Pay logo or the contactless payment symbol at the checkout. Hold your device near the contactless reader and authenticate the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. On an Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch near the reader. You will receive a confirmation of the payment on your device and the receipt will be available in the Wallet app. To use Apple Pay in stores, you do not need to open the Wallet app. Just hold your device near the reader. For online purchases, select Apple Pay as the payment method and authenticate the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your device and card information up to date, monitoring your transactions regularly, and reporting any suspicious activity to your bank. You should also keep your device and wallet app secure by using a passcode and two-factor authentication. Overall, Apple Pay provides a convenient and secure way to make payments in stores, online, and in apps. With its ease of use and wide acceptance, Apple Pay is a great option for anyone looking to simplify their payment process.